And here in Lagos, the State Judicial Panel of Inquiry on Restitution for Victims of SARS-related abuses has reconvened after a 2-week break. The retired judge who chairs the 8-member body also asked the parties and lawyers to do more in supporting the panel as it enters an extra 3 months given to it by the state government to achieve its mandate. Kemi Fola Adeyemo has more.
The judicial panel struck out the 3 consolidated petitions of 64-year-old Taiwo Idehe and her 2 sons, Michael and Samuel, over an alleged torture and trauma by the police in 2018 after they were accused of having a hand in the death of their father, a retired Deputy Superintendent of Police, Joseph Idehe. Justice Okuobi upheld the preliminary objection of Police Counsel Cyril Ejiofor that the reliefs being sought are also being pursued at the Federal High Court, Lagos, while the subject matter of the case involving an alleged murder of the deceased is pending at the Lagos State High Court, and so outside the scope of the panel.
Applicants herein are seeking the same reliefs being sought in Exhibit D before the panel. The matter is still sub judice. The panel therefore finds that these petitions are an abuse of process and they are accordingly hereby struck out.
In Chukwuma Henry versus the Nigeria Police Force, the petitioner accused one Corporal Agabi of shooting him in the abdomen in 2013 around the Muritala Mohammed International Airport after he went to drop off some passengers in his taxi. He says the colostomy valve was inserted into him, which he still uses, and he seeks compensation for the surgery and other expenses he has incurred.
So I was left alone in the old car park at the international airport. So something told me to walk towards the arrival hall. That's where I could see help. So because from that car park to the arrival hall is a little very far. So I started walking. I was carrying my intestine with my clothes, with my shirt. My intestine wanted to fall, but I used the shirt to hold the intestine so it could not fall.
The panel adjourned to 23rd of April and granted the police application for a witness summons on the Commissioner of Police Airport Command to appear on the matter. A petition from the family of the late Additional Adeosun, which couldn't proceed. The panel also ordered that witness summons be served on the DPO of Olosan Police Station and an officer called Osha to both testify on the alleged extrajudicial killing and adjourns to 4th of May. The panel also struck out Adebayo Fare's petition for want of diligent prosecution owing to his persistent absence. Kemi Fola Adeyemo, TVC News, Lagos.